Good morning, everyone. Hope you are well and keeping safe. Welcome to our next video. And this is a special video because it's an extension to Part D that was already explained to you. If you don't know what Part D I'm talking about, I will encourage you to check out our study and exam strategies and you subscribe to get more videos there. Remember our three main outcomes in doing the study strategies is for you to be able to acquire knowledge, be able to remember what you studied, and to be able to apply that which you have studied. So this is a KRA method that you can use as you continue to study. And my name again is Cecilia Huma. I'm presenting to you study strategies. So this Part D is part of the study strategies, how to continuously study. And I'm going to share with you 3 basic steps to follow for you to continuously study. As I've said, for you to be able to continuously study, I recommend the following 3 steps that you can follow so that you engage with your modules, your topics, and what you're busy with currently. Right. Step 1 is before you attend a class or a lecture, I want you to have a different habit of noting the topics that will be dealt with in class or the lecture before, the day before, and you list the topics that you're going to do. I need you to start exercising and be able to allow your mind to be curious about this topic you're going to be learning about the following day and do some research. You guys are tech savvy, so you know how to use the Google button. Start searching textbooks and see exactly what this topic, and just have an overview of what the topic is all about. Then when you go to class, step 2, during class, listen carefully to the principals, what your teacher or your lecturer is teaching you about relating to the topic. Note all the things that they highlight in terms of that are important for exams. Note all the items that are important to remember for answering that question. And don't forget, ask questions that you couldn't answer yourself when you were thinking about what this topic is about, where could it relate to, why is it so important. And another thing that is very important so that you don't study topics in isolation, always ask your teacher or lecturer, what can this topic be linked to? After you've finished attending your class or your lecture, remember the rule of reviewing the work within 24 hours. If it happens that you don't have the 24 hours that you can review within a very short space of time, that you could review all the topics and the principle learned, do it quickly so that your mind will be able to store it for you. And do examples so that you are able to apply that which you have learned and heard from your teachers or your lecturer. And the following day, or when you have the next period again, be sure to ask questions in areas that you feel you are not sure about. If you are afraid to ask in front of the teacher, where everyone is there, make an appointment with your lecturer or with your teacher separately. And this is the same that we've discussed before. You can use this type of question that you lay out for yourself, where you ask all the W's. You ask yourself what could go wrong, and you can ask yourself, where does this topic apply to? Is there a formula? Is there a format in answering this question? Who will need this information? Why am I studying this topic? And test yourself. And as I've said, find a link to the question, other subjects, and module. As I end, start for the day is it is important to build on small blocks in order to allow your brain to have increased capacity. Join me next in the next video, part A. Thanks. Bye.